Updating your billing information on Grailed is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Login. Visit the Grailed website and log into your account using your registered email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Select payment information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your billing details. You will see your current billing information displayed. Enter your new billing details, including credit card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new billing information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to ensure your changes are saved and your billing information is updated. Make sure to review updated information to confirm everything is correct. Keeping your billing info current helps ensure smooth transactions on Grailed.